80% of my portfolio is XRP, 20% is ADA, XLM, and Quant. The 20% is what I'm planning to sell this bull run. Keep thinking of switching into XRP, but not sure. Thoughts? Can't tell you what to do. Again, not able to give you financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. We do have people over there at Digital Wealth Partners that you can schedule a time with that will be able to give you actual financial advice and tell you how to allocate your portfolio. But I like the Pareto principle. I think that that's a great way to look at things. 80-20 tends to be a really good split, especially if you have high conviction on something. The other 20% that you have, they're all good things. I think Quant will do well. ADA is going to do well. XLM will do well. HBAR, Hash, Ondo, Chainlink. There's a lot of other digital assets that have significant use cases and will have utility, and we'll see a big movement to the upside in their price. I would look at things that have ETFs currently filed for them. XLM and Quant, I'm not aware of any ETFs that were filed before they're going to standardize this. Not to say they won't rush the door with those when, they do have a standardized way to be able to file and approve these spot ETFs. But we have Litecoin, Doge, Solana, XRP, and HBAR were the 5 main digital assets that we know people are going to bring spot ETFs for. And so that's what I think is going to see the price appreciation this alt season. I think they're going to significantly outdo other altcoins because the liquidity that's going to be rotating out of Bitcoin this cycle into those is coming from the ETFs and institutional inflows. And if you don't have a position there for that liquidity to move to you, the closer you are to the money spigot, the more money you're going to make. That's really just how all of this works. The closer you are to when that money is initiated or put into the system, the less inflation you're going to face and the higher return you're going to have on that type of investment. So not to say that there won't be, a significant rotation out of Bitcoin into those and then a rotation out of those into other digital assets. But I think the main influx is going to be on stuff that has ETFs ready to go live. And again, I only own XRP, or you can call me an XRP zealot or a maxi. I'm cool with that. That's fine. I'm here for ROI. I'm here for return on investment.